The TrendPlain 16-ounce olive oil dispenser bottle is a 2-in-1 tool designed for versatile kitchen use, perfect for cooking, air frying, and salads. With a 470 milliliters capacity and BPA-free construction, it functions as both an oil sprayer and dispenser, providing precision and control over oil distribution. Its sleek black design fits well in any kitchen setting, offering a stylish and convenient way to add the right amount of oil to your dishes. The air fryer cheat sheet magnets and cooking guide booklet set is a must-have accessory for air fryer enthusiasts. This 2024 air fryer guide includes magnetic cheat sheets for quick cooking times, a comprehensive recipe booklet, and liners to keep your air fryer clean. Ideal as a kitchen gift, this all-in-one accessory helps simplify air fryer cooking with essential tips, recipes, and mess-free cooking solutions. The OTOTO Bernie Bunny Toaster Tongs bring both function and charm to your kitchen. These adorable rabbit-shaped wooden tongs are perfect for safely removing toast from the toaster, as well as for handling appetizers and small bites. Made from durable wood, these mini tongs are multi-purpose and heat-resistant, ideal for use as cute yet practical kitchen gadgets. A delightful addition to any kitchen, they make a whimsical gift for any home cook. The REALINN Under-Sink Organizer offers the practical solution for maximizing space with a 2-tier, slide-out design that fits seamlessly under kitchen or bathroom sinks. This cabinet organizer is designed to help you access stored items easily, with a pull-out feature that provides more visibility and accessibility. Its sturdy construction and optimized layout make it perfect for holding cleaning supplies, toiletries, or other essentials, helping you keep your cabinets tidy and efficient. The Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener is designed for effortless, hands-free can opening with just the press of a button. This battery-operated, food-safe device automatically glides around the can, creating a smooth edge without any sharpness, making it safe for all users. Ideal for those with limited hand mobility or anyone who values convenience in the kitchen, this compact tool is perfect for hassle-free meal prep.